You happy up there, you asshole? Hey, jerk. I'm talking to you. You're a dickhead, you know that? Go from commandeering the couch, now up there. Fuck you, cat. Because cats rule the internet, this asshole thinks she's entitled to a fucking stool in the back bathroom. And whenever she sees fit, craps and pisses all over the floor. Yeah, talking to you, the little dickhead. Spineless coward, can't even catch a rat. Jerk. What, you expecting something from me? Jerk. I'll be back for more from you later. I will get that information out of you. Just you wait. So this jerk here is, this duck caddy. Stay out of the camera, jerk. The caddy. She's quite old. You got me worried today, you asshole. Love you dearly. She's having an old day. I'm hoping that's the worst of it. Got her as a kitten back in winter 2003. Absolutely covered in fleas. Yes, you were. Tiny little thing could fit in my hand back then. And I was much smaller then too. She was just a tiny little shit. She wasn't always the brightest too. More than once she smacked her head right into a wall chasing my mom's ankles when she was a kitten. Jerk. But yeah, she's been my anchor for years and years now. If anything else, she's the one thing I get to look forward to coming back to. And she's been having a hard day today. Just had a bath. Seemed to really enjoy it. She was absolutely filthy. She needed it. Could have given her a better bath, but I was more concerned about keeping her warm than anything else. Jerk. The caddy. Can't really see it, but I think she's gone mostly blind now at this point. She was crying and mewing earlier. May have had a stroke or something, I don't know. Gave her a little niblet of an aspirin pill. Seems to be doing alright. Made herself quite comfy back in her little nest that I made up for her a while back. Wants to hang around me. That's where my wrenches went. That's where those wrenches went. Man, I need to clean up in here. Regardless, seems to be doing alright. Hope nothing happens to you, you jerk. But yeah, pretty sure it was 2003. No, it had to be 2002 then, because wasn't it? Yeah, because no, it had to be 2003 because 2004 was the summer of hurricanes. And we had just moved in like a month or two prior in September. because we went through all 4 hurricanes, Charlie, Francis, and Jean. What is it? Love you too. Turk. Gave me a little kiss. But yeah. One clever cat. She figured out how to open up those doors there. I'll tell you what. Never seen a cat do that before. You done good, pig. Her up a nice little nest, gave her a little bit of catnip. So I'm quite content there. Yes. I think she's just having an old day. Jerk. Love you.